Head in the refrigerator. Thank you.
Tell them what this is about.
All right, this is a brand new one. It's called Head in the Refrigerator. I got a good head on my shoulder. I've got a good head on my shoulder.
You got it.
I've got a good head on my shoulders and another in the train. I'm looking for somebody to make it okay. It's in the name of science that I do what I do. Wait till you discover that the other hand is you. Head in the refrigerator tonight. Everything must be kept out of sight. Better not turn on the kitchen light. There's a head in the refrigerator tonight.